lovelies, it's Odette here and welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well today. Welcome to my channel. As you can see guys, I'm keeping my face as plain as day today. I am not going to put any makeup on my face. I just have some skincare treatments on right now. My face is washed and cleansed and moisturized. I did my dimmer wand, my massaging, I used my globes. I did all of that already. And I went in with this hemp seed oil from Avon. Oh my god, I'm loving this. Soft and my skin feels like butter. And then I just sprayed this Osea spray on top. Let me show you exactly what I did. I did it already, but I'm just going to show you guys. This is the hemp seed oil here. Okay, and this is from Avon. I'm not going to put too much on my skin because I've already put some on. Just a couple of dots right there. Put some on the side. And you just need a little bit of this, okay? And I just blend that into my skin. I've already have this on, but I'm just putting this on to show you guys that I did it already and that I am actually using this oil. This is so good, oh my god. And I give myself just a little massage, just up a little bit, not too heavy on the face, because I've already went in with my dimmer wand and all of that already this today. And there we go. And your skin feels so good, oh my god. Nice and soft and plump and just dewy. Your skin looks so good. It's unbelievable. Love this so much. And if you guys want to get this oil from Avon, go right ahead. And again, this is the hemp seed oil. Okay, there it is right there. And this is from Osea. This is a sea mineral mist. I love this so much. This is a company that's based in Malibu, and I got this from the Detox Market. But you can Google them, the Detox Market, I think, online. And then I just put a little bit of a spritz on my face. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh my god, this smells amazing. And I'm just gonna let this dry down on my skin, and that's it. And I'm just gonna go in with my lip balm. And this lip balm came in the OK Beauty Edit. This is from Incredible Cosmetics, and it has a lovely little roller ball to the end. So I did this collab with Obisianu. I'm gonna link the video for you guys somewhere. Really, really nice. And that's it. So while my face is getting nice and dried down, I'm gonna show you guys what I have in my bathroom. You guys are gonna see my little storage space in my bathroom, and you're gonna see the things that I do have in there, and you're also gonna see some of the products that you probably haven't even seen. So we're just gonna go take a look now, and I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave me your comments in the description box below. I would love to hear from you. So let's head over to my bathroom to see what's in there. Let's go. So let's start by showing you guys my little space saver here over my toilet. And I got this from Amazon. There are so many of these things available, so you can just check them out on Amazon. We are gonna start from the top. I do have my bath brush right there with the beautiful bristles. Love that. This beautiful eye cream is from Beauty Bio. It's called the Beholder. It's an amazing product for the eyes. It really helps with puffy eyes. So I use this at night, probably maybe 3 or 4 times a week. It's a very expensive product, so I just use this very, very sparingly. This little planter I got from Amazon is just a fake flowers and a vase. Over here I have my L'Oreal Paris Day Cream, and the night cream is to the back. This is the Dramatic Firming Cream that I got from Avon, and then to the back I do have, this is from Corez, and this is the White Pine Restorative Overnight Cream. Okay, another expensive product, and I love that so much. And this is what I do have on the top row. On the bottom, I do have from Paula's Choice. This is a night cream and it's almost finished. To the back, I do have my hot cloth cleanser from Liz Earle. That's my Garnier Bio Micellar Water to the back. This is the 2% BH liquid exfoliant from Paula's Choice. One of the most incredible exfoliants you can use in your skin. You put this on at night and you wake up with amazing skin the next day. Here I do have from LMS, it's a cleansing balm. And on top I do have a lip scrub. To the back, I do have Drops of Youth from the Body Shop. It's also a liquid exfoliant as well, which is really, really good. And immediately when you put this on your skin, you are going to see all of those dead skin coming off, and it's amazing. I have sensitive skin and I use that twice a day. To the back, I do have from MSM, it's 10% vitamin C serum, incredible product. This is also from MSM, the Vin Gold. This is a beautiful night cream, day and night, okay? And on top is the eye cream from MSM. It's amazing. I do have the toner here from Fenty Beauty. It's almost finished. I'm gonna try and use that up. And to the back from Paula's Choice is a pore reducing toner. Incredible toner. It is so good, and it also helps to remove all the extra dirt from your skin. It is a lovely, lovely product. This is also from Paula's Choice. This is the big one. I have the tiny one here which I'm using up, and because I love this so much, I do have a backup right there. And I got this from Selfridges, but you can also get this online, okay? And I'm just going to pan up so you guys can see the full joy of my stand. I don't have too many things on here because I want to keep it nice and light, so this way I know exactly how to alternate my skin routine day and night. Okay, this little brush right there is what I use to put on my mask whenever I'm doing my masking. And there we be. And on this side, let me just show you this little stand. This cute little stand is also from Amazon. It is so amazing. Amazon has amazing things for small spaces, and it fits perfectly in this corner. So on the top, I do have some products here from Rituals, which are just body creams. From Ragdale Hall Spa, which is this one here. This is a pillow and body mist. I do have my Yardley creams to the back, and this is a shower gel. Hope you guys can see that. Also from Ragdale Hall Spa. You can get these things online, or you can just go into Marks and Spencer. I think they've got a Marks and Spencer in the US, but if you live in London, you can go to Marks and Spencer there as well. And these two creams came in a bag that I showed you guys, and I got those from Shoppers Drug Mart. One is a hand cream, one is a body cream. This cute little planted thingy to the back, I got that from the dollar store as well. Really, really cute and cheap. To the bottom, I do have my vitamin C dry oil from Avon. This is the Sleep Body Butter, and I got that from the White Company. Here I do have a body lotion. This is from Marks and Spencer. And to the back here, this is also a body butter, and this is also from Ragdale Hall as well. It's a really good line. And I also have a hand cream right here from them. This is also a body cream from Ragdale Hall as well. This is from Skin Cosmetics in the blue jar. I've shown you guys this before, and this is also from Skin Cosmetics. And to the bag, these two products are from the Body Shop. One of them is stress relief and the other one is for energy. Beautiful, beautiful products. To the bottom, I do have all of my my facial scrubs, and you would see this one here from Glam Glow. This is a cream body scrub. This is from Mark & Spencer. I do have my L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Scrub as well. I do have my Ragdale Hall Spa. It's also a shower scrub. Over here, I do have from Elemis. This is an instant refreshing gel for the body. Keeps you nice and cool. To the back, I do have from Margaret Debs. One of them is a glowing leg spray. One of them is a firming leg spray, and I do have the two leg scrubs to the bottom. And I don't use those very often. I use them probably, I would say, twice a month or so. Okay, keep your legs nice and soft and beautiful. So to the bottom here, I do have my body oils and some more body creams. I do have something here from Yardley. This is my beautiful, that is gorgeous, that's a body powder. And to the bottom, I just have my, these are my bath salts from Sanctuary Spa. I do have another bath salt here from Ragdale Hall. And to the back, I just have a couple of room sprays. And this is what I do have in my bathroom storage, my friends. Really, really lovely. These are all the beautiful things I use on my skin. They are so gorgeous. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of this video today. Sound off below. Let me know your thoughts. And of course, my name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.